Attention! Attention! Please wear your safety helmet.
Let's start with the tutorial. First, we need to download and prepare dataset. Go to RoboFlow and download the datasets. Choose YOLO v5 and download the zip file. Then, train the model using the datasets. Next, we need to deploy and running on Raspberry Pi. So I'm using Raspberry Pi 5. Transfer the file to Raspberry Pi using WinSCP. Then, run the code using the train model. And that's it. You will get your AI safety helmet there. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more video. And for more detail about this tutorial, check out the description in the link below.